so we are going to do a science experiment on Science Week. So first, our experiment is today on instant ice. So we need 4 bottles, that is 2 of pipe water and 2 of mineral water. Fill these 2 bottles with full of water, and after that keep it on the freezer for 3 hours. So after 3 hours, we'll take it and see. But before that, remember in your fridge to keep the temperature of the water bottles as there will be a setting for the temperature in the fridge as low, minimum and max. So we need to keep that in max. Hi guys, so I have come after 3 hours. So we have 2 pipe water and 2 mineral water and some ice cubes, as I told from the starting. So we can understand from this only it's fully freezed. It cannot shake. And even the pipe water, again the second one even cannot shake. But it is not as same as the mineral water. Mineral water you need to open it so slowly or it can break off. So guys, we can see that it has come till here, till the maximum top. If we can try to pour more, but I think it might break. So guys, it's going to break. So we can understand from this, it is like so powerful that the mineral water can get onto this ice. As we all saw the experiment before, we did the instant ice. So it got formed, and we even saw the experiment how it was. So now I am going to explain how did it become. We saw the pipe water, it fully got freezed. It's all because of the freezing point is 0 degrees Celsius for pipe water. As we did the mineral water got fully, like it got full of water, but it's freezed. But we don't know how it is freezed. So that's why I told you in the beginning, when we are opening the cap of the lid, we need to be careful, because one shake or one hit is enough for the full water bottle to get freezed. So in that is a way that we can know this is the instant ice. So I'm going to explain you how did the mineral water get freezed. So the way is that we all know the freezing point of water is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. But in fact, even though the water is pure, it is enough to supercool the water before it actually freezes with no nucleation signs. In a small smooth water bottle full of water, and it purified water, and it says it is reverses to osmosis, and we get it the bottle's temperature as below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Thank you.